friends, this work continues with the math work. I can add and subtract in different ways. And this page I chose because the numbers are good for continued practice. And this page has a mix of plus and minus on the same page. I'm not going to do all of them. I'm going to help you with the first few here, not even all of them. And then you can continue the rest by yourself. So I'm going to look at this side. The problems go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. But I'm just going to go this way. So we can just see some addition ones, and then I'm going to skip down and do some subtraction ones, and then the rest you can do after the video or when it's convenient for you. So now at the top right here, it says 1 plus 0 equals. What I might suggest for you to do, got to get my markers in order over here, is to use some dots to help you make dots underneath the numeral to represent the sets that are there. So right here, in this spot, I'm going to take brown. That I think will be easy to see. 1, I'm going to make 1 dot for the numeral 1. And then, of course, purple for the math symbol. 1 plus 0, so I'm not going to put any dots there, equals. So 1 dot plus 0 dots equals, use my pencil here, equals 1. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Now you could use pennies like we did last week with this format. You could put 1 penny here and then 0 pennies here. The kind of, I have 1 penny, you have 0 pennies, we have, and the answer, or the sum, computation answer in addition is called sum. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Whichever works for you. But if you have it in your brain and you can do that, that's okay. The dots are there to help you. There are not dots on this page on purpose. Other pages I have do have dots, but as a way of kind of challenging you to work without the dots. But if the dots help you and you feel better about using them, then you use them. Because what we're looking for is accuracy. That's the most important thing. Okay? Let's do the next one. I think I will take my brown again. This says 2 plus 1 equals. So I'm going to put 2 dots underneath the 2 to show 2 plus, using my purple for my math symbol, 2 plus 1. I'm going to put 1 dot under the 1. 2 plus 1 equals, and then I count up my dots because I'm doing plus, so I'm doing addition, combining together. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to count again. 1, 2, 3. Or I can do count on 2. I already know it's there. I'm going to add one more. 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And I write that right here. That's how this page works. The top part, the first 8. I'll draw a line across that page. Right above the 9, I'm going to draw a purple line across to help me remember. The top part are all the pluses. The bottom part are all the minuses. And you can move your answers over here to this column, but you don't have to. That's just an extra way the page was arranged when I found it. So I did 2 addition ones for you, and then here is 6 more to do by yourself. Let's move down to the subtraction or the minus group. We'll do it the exact same way though, with dots, and then we'll do some takeaway. A little bit different than before. This says, let's read it, 5 minus 3 equals. So I'm going to put 5 dots over here. The markers help me make small dots. Kind of made it look a little bit like the dice face. Like that. To just help me always remember how dice look so I can add quickly. 5 minus 3 equals. Now what I would suggest, sometimes these pages, and I do have them coming up, will show you 3 dots here. If that doesn't confuse you, then you can do that. I think that can be a little bit confusing because then it could look like the addition ones. So I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'm going to cross out 3 dots from this group. But if it helps you to have these 3 dots here and then cross them out, do that. Whichever helps you have accurate work. So I'll leave those dots there for this time. But on this side, 5 minus 3, so I'm going to take away that one, and that one. 5 minus 3. 5 take away 3. How many are left? 5 minus 3 equals 2. There are 2 left. And that's the type of work you'll do down here. Let's do one more and then continue. Use the dots or not. If you already know how to do this and you can do it quickly and efficiently and accurately, then go right ahead. Let's do this one right next to it. 3 minus 1 equals. So again, I'm going to put 3 dots. I'm going to make them look like the dice face. That looks like that. It's just good extra practice. 3 minus 1 equals. Remember, this is subtraction. It's a different math symbol. If you want to put your dot here and then remember it, just don't add them together. 3 minus 1. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take one away. 3 minus 1, putting a line through that, which means it needs to go away. I could make an X if I wanted to. How many are left? 2. Again, the answer is 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Addition practice at the top, subtraction practice at the bottom. I hope that helps you continue to work on your addition carefully. It's not a race. We're in no rush. What we're looking for is accurate work from everyone, so the work is done carefully. Whenever you're ready, you can then continue with this. You can do it later or now. Thank you, careful math workers.